All right, so for the rest of class today, we've got about a half hour. What we're going to do is we're going to describe and provide examples of some of the interaction types used by ecologists and scientists. And I think you guys know a few of these already. You already mentioned the predator-prey or predation interaction. Hopefully what we accomplished today is also to predict how these interactions shape evolution. We already started talking about how populations of wolves, populations of moose interact, and but we need to talk more about how populations adapt based on natural selection. And I just showed you a model, an ecological community. We're going to go again and describe and provide examples of those interaction types. All right. First things first, I think I got Q3, I think that's right. Somebody defined for me interspecific, and then I want another person to contrast that with intraspecific, talking about interactions. Yeah, that's...
So interspecific is between two species?
All right. Two species. And then, how is that different than intraspecific? Yeah.
Is intraspecific between the same species?
Yeah, within a species interaction. Yeah. Within. So right now, hopefully you guys have been interacting today. Would that be inter or intra-specific interactions? I would hope so. All right, now enough laughter for that one. That was a good joke. All right, so keeping in mind interspecific and intraspecific, what I've got here is I want you to create this table in your target list. You can start filling in right now. You can fill it in as I go and give you the answers as we finish up the lesson here today. But just consider one species, let's call it species 1, and another species, we'll call it species 2. And I've got here a set of terms or types of interactions that ecologists use to basically categorize the way species interact in a community. Because we've got millions of species on Earth, not all of them interact. Usually they need to be by each other. And when they are by each other within the same kind of environment, the same ecosystem, for example, the desert, you're probably going to be able to categorize them as either competition, mutualism, predation, herbivory, parasitism. I'll lump that into one row there. And then if there's time, I'll talk about commensalism, but I think we'll have to say that next class. Okay? And what I'm asking you to do in these cells of this table that you just created, I want you to predict the effect of fitness for each species under whatever ecological interactions I'm talking about. And remember, fitness, does anybody want to define fitness for me? Not going to the gym twice a week? Somebody? Yeah.
The amount of surviving offspring.
The amount of surviving offspring. Okay, so in order to have a large amount of surviving offspring, you need to survive and reproduce. I always like that as the ability to survive and reproduce. You guys would not imagine how difficult it is to spell words. So if I misspell something, let me know. Okay.